Welcome to the Brook Bath, a haven of modern urban living nestled in a serene location, designed for your utmost comfort. Step into a world of contemporary elegance with a range of spacious studios and stylish en-suites, where each unit features state-of-the-art amenities and expansive living areas perfect for entertaining or relaxing. But that's just the beginning. Dive into the vibrant community atmosphere in the social lounge, take a stroll in the spacious courtyard, or catch the latest flicks in the cinema room. Plus, stay active in the fully equipped gym or challenge your friends in the games room. Ideally located near Bath College and Bath Spa University, BIMM, your scholarly commute shall be a breeze. For a quick coffee or a study session, cafes like the Archway Cafe and the Bath Coffee Co. provide the perfect backdrop. If groceries run low, fret not. Local markets such as Waitrose and Partners and Sainsbury's are within reach for quick top-ups. Plus, with various transportation options nearby, getting around has never been easier. Don't wait to embrace a new standard of living at the Brook Bath. Visit amberstudent.com today to discover your new home where luxury meets community like never before.